Yo, it's ODB. We're going to do a quick unboxing. Check this out. That's not what we're looking at today, but I want to talk about CCF Customs. They made these awesome keychains, and they said, yo, ODB, can you spread the word on some new stuff we're launching? I said, absolutely. So, not straight out of Compton, straight out of Canada, this box arrived, and had to sign for it because, you know, it's real deal Holyfield. What I'm going to do is I'm going to open this box. All I've done is slit this open right here. 1, 2, 3 on the sides. I haven't looked or peeked. So we're going to get a chance to see this together. Appreciate you guys sticking with me. So first things first. You know I love stickers. CCF Customs. Cool. Plenty of stickers. Look at this. More keychains. Now I'm gonna link to their Instagram. Again, these awesome keychains. These are super cool. Mini Truckin. That was the last logo when the magazine shuttered in 2014. So you could pick those up from him. We've got some cards. CCF Customs. Uh-oh. This stuff looks pretty freaking cool. I can kind of see it already. So I'm going to take these 2 boxes out. See what we got here. Do you see what I see? Unboxing. Definitely appreciate this opportunity. Number 1. Box number 1. Check that out. Mini Truckin belt buckle. Right there. That's all you need. Check the back out. CCF Customs. Again, on Instagram, I'm going to link over there. ccfcustoms.com as well on their website. We got one more. Dude, that is freaking awesome. It's got that little bit of a, you know, the natural bow that you need to have on that to hook that up. I got a belt right over there it'll go on. The heavyweight belt. No, not that one. Number 2. It says made in Canada. Real deal Holyfield. Look at that. Mini Truckin. Dude. Freaking awesome. CCF Customs, man. Look at that. Freaking sweet. So 2 belt buckles. Whatever your liking is. Plus the keychains. Hit them up if you want some Mini Truckin stuff, some swag. And I can't thank them enough for giving me the opportunity to open this stuff up. I'm super stoked. Stay on the rise, everyone. Consider subscribing. We are your Mini Truckin headquarters. It's hot out here. I'm repping the Goonies, and it's almost the end of summer, but I think it's going to be summer a little while longer in Florida. ODB, biatchia. Peace.